gas and petrol as we mainly use in the normal cars, and here is motor fuel aviation. The main use of petrol is motor fuel and as solvent for dry cleaning, and we get that unpleasant smell after dry cleaning. That is about just because of this. Now it's kerosene. What do we mean by kerosene? Kerosene is a normal liquid found. It is a constituent of petroleum, and it is used as fuel for stoves, lamps, and after special process done, it is used for jet crafts also. And here petrol is aviation fuel, but petroleum is in jet crafts. Okay, now diesel. Now what do we mean by diesel? The main use of diesel is for heavy anything. It could be electric generators need heavy things, so we use diesel. In motor vehicles like trucks, cars, we use diesel. Okay, so lubricating oil. Lubricating by we mean to reduce the friction. If any surface is like this, okay, so what does a lubricant do? It makes it normally and tries to make it smooth. And like the friction cannot be zero on the by lubricating oil also, but it can reduce much impact of oil. It cannot be zero, but it is 90% visible and effectable. Now paraffin wax. Paraffin wax is used for mainly wax, as we know, for candles, vaselines, and ointments. Bitumen, as I said, that first it was bitumen. First it was coal tar that was used for road surfacing, but economically and everything, petroleum product bitumen is now used as road surfacing and for paints also, and many. Now, as I said, some natural resources are limited, meaning that it is non-renewable. We cannot renew it. It is exhaustible. It is exhausted. It can be exhausted by human interruption, human activities, and that is about coal. Petroleum can be exhausted after 100 years, and 100 years, 200 years, 50 years. Everything would be exhausted slowly and slowly. And now, what do we say? That we should use CNG, because CNG is a cleaner fuel, and we should use CNG only for everything, for cars and everything. Like here is Vadodara, an example of in Gujarat that we should use. And in by pipeline I mean that in our gas stoves that we use LPG is a petroleum product. We should use a CNG for that. That would be a better option. Now, in India, the Petroleum Conservation Research Association (PCRA) is the main that advises us that what should we do and how should we save petrol. Like we should switch off the engine and traffic lights. Okay, so this was that when we burn petrol and chemical in normal, in presence of oxygen, it would give carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide. If there is no sufficiency of oxygen, it would be carbon dioxide, but if there is sufficiency, then it would be carbon monoxide. Okay, this was about coal and petroleum. We knew everything here. And what is coal and petroleum? So here is coal gas. From coal we form coal gas, coal tar, coke. And fossil type of fossil fuels there are many types of fossil fuels, mainly coal and petroleum. And natural gas is a type of gas that's just above the petroleum layer. Petroleum refinery where we make petrol.